Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you cannot set the process priority in Task Manager for a particular process. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to first navigate to whatever process you're having the issue with in Task Manager and right click on it, select Properties, then you want to select the Security tab. And then where it says to change permissions, click Edit, select the Edit button. So select whatever user account you're having the problem with, or you could just set it to administrators. And if full control is not checkmarked, you can checkmark it to select it. And then you would select Apply and OK to save that. And that would pretty much be it. Then at that point, you should be able to change the process priority of that given process. Pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.